Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diva Dior, and y'all already know what is going on. It's officially my birthday, August 15th. Don't play with it, don't play with it. As you can see, I'm already dressed. I did my hair and I put on this cute outfit, and then I'm gonna put this hat on with it. It's just the vibe, like, it's just the vibe. I'm about to head out to the lobby because I have to get on the boat in order to take the boat back into the city so I can rent a golf cart so I can do my dues. Just a quick mini update. I just came from the lobby and they told me that I already knew I missed the boat, but I thought there was one also coming at 10:30, but that's clearly not the case. The boat comes at 10, takes whoever wants to go onto the island, and then it comes back at 5. So tomorrow I can't miss it. So instead of me going into the island to get the golf cart, they're just gonna bring the golf cart to me. But you know, with convenience comes a convenience fee. So I just have to pay a convenience fee. And then I'm gonna go to Secret, it's called like Blue Bayou, Secret Beach. And I'm gonna chill over there and just see the city. And I definitely wanna find a hookah spot because I want some hookah. In the meantime though, I'm just gonna chill in the room and edit some videos and just enjoy my birthday. Like, God is really so good, y'all. Like, I can't stress that enough. Like, I would not be here without him. So yeah, I'm just praying that he continues to bless me with everything good under the sun. And you know, he knows my heart. So yeah, I pray that he continues to bless me with knowledge and wisdom, because knowledge is one thing, but to actually apply it and take action on that knowledge that you know, that's how you gain wisdom, you know? And I'm definitely a risk taker, and I like to apply myself in any situation. If you know, you know. But yeah, I'm so excited for this next year. I can't wait to see where I am a year from today. And just look back at these videos and just the memories that I'm gonna create. It's just gonna be so wild because I'm literally creating the life I want in real time. Nonetheless though, I'm gonna update y'all once they arrive with the golf cart and we're heading out. For real this time. So Kevin just came to the room and told me that the golf cart is ready. So I'm about to head over there now and pick it up. And hopefully they can just charge it to the room and charge my card, because I didn't bring that much cash, unfortunately. So I don't want to use up all of my cash. And it's definitely about to rain, y'all. Like, I feel the drizzle coming on. So hopefully, oh my gosh. Do y'all see that thing climbing the tree? Oh my gosh. Hey. All right, let me back up. Say what's up to YouTube. All right.
Have you driven a golf cart before?
I have.
So this is nothing for you, right?
Yeah, it's light work.
This is your keys.
Okay. So right now, I'm currently heading to Secret Beach in the golf cart. And y'all, it's so hot and so bumpy on this golf cart, like, I kid y'all not. And I'm still about 45 minutes away. I don't even know if y'all can hear me over the engine of the golf cart, but when I tell y'all it's bumpy, like, it's bumpy because it's not even like a real road. Like, it's a dirt road. Like, yeah, no. I'll let y'all know when I get there. It's me losing my freaking shoe as I'm driving. Like, be for real. And do you see how quiet it just got without the engine of the golf cart going? Like, I got it though. This the car we rented, y'all. It's so fly. Let me just put the fucking shoes on the floor. All right, and we out.
Every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do is between me and you. 'Cause every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do is between me and you. Yo, now when I first met her, all I thought was stars are gone. Like lose the lane, we can get our freaking on. Baby, know the game, slip away, slap me your number. It's
the last day of spring. See you first day of summer. I'm a bad mother. Shut your mouth.
I just made it to Secret Beach after an hour drive, and it's pretty quiet. I'm about to head over to a bar slash restaurant, and I don't know if I told y'all already before, but they like bring the food to you like in the water, so that's pretty neat. So I'm about to head over there. Yeah. Yeah, this is Secret Beach, y'all. I hope it's focused because I can barely even see. My outfit.
What?
This one.
This?
Yeah, it matches my outfit. But this one matches my outfit too.
No.
No?
This one more.
More this
matches.
one, right? How much is this one?
This is $20.
20 USD?
No. Yeah. You want to try it on?
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
Today. How did you know it was my birthday?
Today's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Let's see your name. When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
July 17th.
Yeah, happy belated birthday.
Thanks.
And when's your birthday?
September 5th, next month.
What you doing for your birthday?
I don't know. This
No.
is a camera?
Yeah, we just
Let
took one.
me
Sesto
take
and
a
I.
picture with you and she. You and her.
You want to take a picture of me and your sister?
Yeah.
All right, so look, I'm going to show you.
Yes.
Perfect. All right, y'all, so I made a new friend at Secret Beach. His name is
Cecil,
Cecil. How old are you?
11.
And what do you sell?
Bracelets.
He sells bracelets and necklace. I got this necklace and this bracelet, and they're so cute. Matches my outfit perfectly. And I'm gonna remember it forever, forever, forever. Oh, let's show them our picture. This is Cecil and I picture.
I think he gonna drag
Here, look.
them.
Put your bracelets in the bag. Yeah.
I think he gonna.
Yeah, you are recording.
We have here. Woo! Secret beach time. Look, right. Guys. Ready? Say hi, happy birthday girl.
Oh, y'all, be careful. Hey, y'all, it's my birthday. It's Joy behind the camera, and I'm just so excited to be in Belize at Secret Beach. It's a vibe. And I don't know, I'm just blessed. God is good. God is so good. So my food just came. I got escovitch, some rice and beans, some plantains, and like a side of salad. And then for my drink, I got a dragon fruit margarita with an extra shot. So I'm about to tear it up. And then I got some hot sauce. I just finished eating my food, and y'all, that was probably the best escovitch I ever had in my entire life. It was just seasoned to perfection. Like, it was amazing. The rice and beans, it was aight, and the plantains, they was good. I still have my drink that I haven't even finished yet because it's strong. But I'm about to take it to like the other side of the beach and just walk around and just like lay out somewhere else. But Belize is a vibe. Those little kids were so sweet. His name was Cecil and her name was Joy. They were sisters and brothers. And I got this from them. And then I also got this bracelet. So cute. Let me see how much their rates are. 40 minutes, 45 USD. 20-minute bag, 10-minute neck and scalp, 10-minute reflexology. 75 minutes, $75. 30 minutes bag, 20 minutes leg. Yeah, all right. So then over there at that little island, they also doing it over there. So I'm gonna probably do it over there by the water. I'm about to walk back over there to get my massage. And if I'm talking funny, it's because I'm holding the cup with my mouth, y'all. Like, I got a whole lot going on. Literally. I think I'm gonna do like a 45-minute massage. And it should be really, really good.
Every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do is between me and you. 'Cause every little thing that we do should be between me and you.
first met her, all I thought was dong the dong. Like lose the lane, we can get out, freaking on. Baby, know the game, slip away. Slap me your number, it's the last day of spring. See you first day of summer, I'm a bad mother, shut your mouth.
Change of plans real quick. So while I was walking to get my massage, the person, I guess he's like the manager for the jet skis, asked if I wanted to ride the jet skis. Why not? So he gave me a complimentary jet ski ride for my birthday. So I'm about to go and get a shot in here. Hopefully they take like Cash App or Apple Pay because I left all of my other stuff on the other side of the island. And then while he fuels up the jet ski, I'm gonna go and get me a little drink, dog. Yeah, man. But look, and I was gonna pay. Well, actually, I really wasn't. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But I thought about doing jet skis because it looked so fun. Anybody was doing it, but I wasn't paying 180 USD to do that. That's ridiculous. Can I get salt and no lime, please? All right, I'll take it straight for you.
All right,
Just for you.
That's more. That's more.
That's more like it. Cheers. Cheers. I'm coming. I'm taking a shot.
Wait, I need some energy too.
Woo! Thank you. That shot was strong. I ain't gonna hold y'all. But he's done fueling up, so now we're about to head back to the other side of the beach, y'all.
Every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do is between me and you. 'Cause every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do is between me and you.
My hair looks a freaking mess, y'all. Please don't pay attention to it. Like, I'm gonna fix it once I get back to the hotel. But that was a fun little quick jet ski ride, and I ain't have to pay for it, so I love that for me. But I'm waiting for the masseuse to get back so I can get a massage. So I'm probably gonna do a 30-minute massage, which is $1 USD per minute, which I feel like is not bad. Because in the States, they'll give you 60 minutes and you're paying like $150, so you're not really getting your money's worth in the States. Again, my hair looks a freaking mess, but y'all gonna see the switch up real soon, real soon. After this, I'm gonna head back to the resort. I'm gonna shower, do my makeup, and then I have to hop on a Zoom meeting. And then after the Zoom meeting, I'm gonna go out to dinner. And I just gotta find which dinner spot I wanna go to. And I also might do a hookah lounge tonight. So we gonna see.
Every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do is between me and you. 'Cause every little thing that we do should be between me and you. The freaky things that we do is between me and you.
Yo, now when I first met her, all I thought was dong the dong. Like lose the lane, we can get out, freaking on. Baby, know the game, slip away. Slap me your number, it's the last day of spring. See you first day of summer, I'm a bad mother, shut your mouth.
I just finished my massage, and y'all, it was one of the best massages I ever received. Like, I was knocked, okay? I'm about to drive back to the resort now because it's about 4:20. My meeting's at 6:30, and I do want to get ready before my meeting so that way I can just head out once it's over. So I'm gonna just let y'all know when I get back to the resort. I've been back at the crib for a while now. As you can see, I already washed my hair and I slicked it back because we're gonna do a no part look tonight for my dinner, and it's gonna look so cute. I'm about to do my edges and start on my makeup, so if my face look a little ashy, it's because I already set it with powder. It's currently 7:10. The place that I'm going to is an hour away, and so I have to hurry up and do my makeup and get dressed because it's gonna take me an hour to get there, and then the restaurant closes at 10, and the lounge that I wanted to go to yesterday also closes at 10. So I want to hurry up and eat dinner and be able to get some hookah and some drinks. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna show y'all the final results in a few. Ew, it's a baddie. Have you seen her? It's really eating. Like, I love love how my hair and makeup came out. I've been trying this new makeup technique. Yeah, it's been eating the girls up. Feel me? But I actually want to show y'all what they did in the room, which was so cute and caught me by surprise. I did not expect it when I came back in from Secret Beach. And that's how you know I really just be in my own world, because I literally walked in the room directly into the bathroom and didn't even pay attention to the bed and realized it was on the bed. So that was really, really nice of them. And let me show y'all what they did for me. They set up this happy birthday decor on the bed. And it's just so stinking cute. They made like a 2-tier cake out of towels and lit these candles. Like part of me literally doesn't even want to lay on the bed and mess this up. But the other part of me knows that's not realistic. It's so cute, you guys. Like, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. And this is the outfit. The dress is eaten. It's giving body. Yeah. And then let me show y'all the bag that I'm wearing. The bag for the outfit, I know y'all see it busted in the light right there. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. So this is the bag that I'm gonna be wearing with the outfit. So freaking fire, y'all. Like, so fat. All right, so originally I was gonna go ahead and take the golf cart into the city because I paid for it for the entire day. So it's like, why not, you know, use my time that I have the golf cart for. However, the front desk people didn't feel comfortable letting me leave the resort with the golf cart. Listen, so because they know Belize better than me, and they told me it's a little dangerous for me to go out by myself this late in the weather, barely any lights on the golf cart, baby, that's all you had to tell me. You only had to tell me once. And after they told me that, I told them just order me a taxi into town, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I appreciate them for keeping it a buck with me and not just trying to make money. I mean, they already made money because I already paid for the golf cart, but I appreciate that they cared about my well-being. And they don't even got no doors or nothing. So thank you to the staff at Margaritaville. Yeah, so I'm about to clean up my little mess. Oh, let me give y'all a story time. So when I was getting my massage at Secret Beach, I had to take off my jewelry so that way she could really, you know, get up in the. And instead of putting it back on my neck, I placed it in my bag. And the bag that I was wearing kind of has, like, I guess you can say holes. So either as I was walking or as I was driving back, I lost the chain, but I do have the pendant. So that was a bummer at first, but then I had to like really sit back and analyze like the meaning behind it, because I feel like everything happens for a reason and everything has a meaning as to why it happened. So quick little story time. My sister had gifted me this heart necklace with the chain that I just recently lost. Oh my gosh, do y'all see all these mosquito bites? But nonetheless, my sister had gifted me the heart necklace about, I want to say 3 years ago. I would say around that time. And I've always had that necklace. Last year, on my graduation day, after we had finished eating dinner at Negril Village in, I think it was in Brooklyn. Yeah. Or was it in Manhattan? No, we went to Brooklyn. No, it was in Manhattan. No, it was in Brooklyn. Nonetheless, after we finished eating dinner, I realized that my chain wasn't on my neck because I wanted to like, I be playing with my chain. So I had went to reach for it to play with it, and I was like panicking. So I didn't find it that day, and I was very upset that I lost the heart pendant, but I still had the chain part. So I held on to the chain part, and I thought the restaurant was gonna find it and give me a call back, but they didn't find it, we didn't find it. So yeah, anyways, I was upset about that, and then that's when I went and I gifted myself the Ankh pendant, and then I put it on the chain that came with the original necklace that my sister gave me. So I hope y'all are following. So lost that on graduation day. Then fast forward to today, I lost the chain. So I lost the pendant first and I lost the chain. Both of these happened on 2 major occasions. First one being my graduation, now this one being my birthday. How I interpreted me losing the chain this time around is that it's me letting go of anything in the past, any old baggage, anything that's negative, anything that's holding me back and not allowing me to elevate and, you know, growing towards my higher self. So I was upset at first for like a good 5 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, but then I reeled it back in and I analyzed the situation. I'm like, yo, it's crazy, like how I lost this thing on. Anyways, yeah, so I'm not even upset that I lost it because, like I said, it just symbolizes the start of a new beginning, me letting go of any old weight, any baggage, anything that's not gonna allow me to become a billionaire, you know, anything that's around me that's, you know, stunting my growth, anyone that has evil eyes. Like, that's how I interpreted that necklace, and y'all may not have seen it that deep, but I read into stuff like a lot. So yeah, I don't have my chain, but it's okay. It's okay. It is what it is. I'll get another one when I get home. And that's all by the grace of God for providing me with the resources and tools in order to fund trips like this and then replace something that I lose on the trip when I get back home. So again, all glory to God. God is good all the time. God is good. But yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning up and then I'm going to update y'all once I'm finally heading outside. Period. So I'm about to head out to the taxi. These are the shoes that I'm putting on, and they're from Shein. I got these shoes about 2 years ago, and I never wore them. And I feel like it goes well with the rose gold details in the bag. So I'm jagging it. I just gotta, let me see how I'm gonna tie them, because I really don't want them to go all the way up my leg. But I don't know, I feel like, yeah, like, I feel like right here is good, because I don't want them to go all the way up my leg. I'm gonna do it like that. And then tie a knot. Perfect. Like that. And it's like a cute little bow in the back. As y'all can see, I am back at the hotel. I am ready for bed. I went to dinner, didn't even vlog anything. And then I went to a lounge after. And then I was bar hopping, didn't record any of that. But nonetheless, it was a great night. The taxi took me into town because I said I wasn't even going to use use the golf carts because, be realistic, like, I'm a single black woman touring an island that doesn't have any street lights. Like, be for real. I just went with the taxi instead, and it was pricey, but I'd rather pay the price to be safe than not pay the price and find out what could happen because I paid the price. So in the end, I'm still gonna pay the price for not paying the price, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed because I have to get up at 7 a.m. Well, 6:30 because the boat leaves at 7 a.m. That's gonna take you into the city. And I don't wanna miss the boat again today. So I'm probably only gonna get like 3 to 4 hours of sleep, but it's better than nothing. So I'm about to close out today's vlog, and like, y'all, look at all of these freaking, oh, look at all these mosquito bites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's some more on my back, and there's 2 right here on my face. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so y'all are notified every time I upload a new video. And I also want y'all to let me know what was your favorite part about this vlog so far, and anything else y'all want to see in the future. So on that note, I'm about to put some itching cream on these bites and go to bed. So on that note, I'm gonna wrap up this video and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.